So I've got a bit of explaining to do. I don't know how to start this video really, because obviously I want to explain to you guys what's been going on over the last few weeks and why I'm currently not sat in a Fiesta or a Starlet. Basically, how can I say this? The Fiesta ST is now gone. It's been sold. I now own a BMW, and the Starlet may be sold as well. But that doesn't mean the videos are going to stop for the channel. It just means the Fiesta content is going to stop. The Fiesta content has already died down anyway. There hasn't really ever been much Fiesta content. The Starlet, it's a little bit on the line at the minute. I haven't really put it up for sale, but if someone was to offer me some money for it and want to buy it, then it'll be gone. It's past MOT. It's got a full year's MOT on it. I want to make this video to explain to you guys, obviously the Fiesta's gone. I'm not sure where I'm at with the Starlet at the moment, but there is content coming from the new car, which is a BMW 320d. Maybe looking at me and thinking, why the fuck you buy a diesel? I haven't really got a reason behind it, to be honest, other than the fact that this is the car that popped up and this is the car that I like the look of. It's low miles. It's only on 60,000 miles, 60 odd thousand miles, and it's a decent car. 2006. I'll try get some shots for you guys to have a look at while I'm explaining, but this is basically a new chapter. The Fiesta, I just thought, it's getting ridiculous. Too many people had them. Everyone's Fiesta looked exactly the same. You couldn't be different. I didn't want to spend money on it to look exactly like what someone else has done. I could go and wrap the Fiesta, lower it and put it on some wheels, and it would look exactly like another Fiesta that's down the road or something. There's too many of them. I was getting bored of the Fiesta, and anything to do to it, I just didn't feel like I wanted to do anything to it. So my insurance got renewed. I didn't want to renew it on the Fiesta. I didn't want to own the Fiesta for another year, so that's when it came to the decision where I wanted to sell it. And then I got this as my new daily. But this isn't a permanent car either, because I haven't really done a video on it, but I want to get an Audi S5. Like, that's future goals right there, Audi S5. But that's something I've got to save up for. So I needed something to drive around in. I've got USC next weekend, which is a 3-hour trip there and a 3-hour trip back. I didn't want to take the Starlet and then anything happened to it before I've done any work on it, if you know what I mean. I didn't want to break it before I even started on it. So if I even start on it, if you know what I mean. I'm not saying it's not a trustworthy car. I just didn't want to have an older car like that to drive around in on a daily basis, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I'm not going to try and cut this video short, because obviously I just wanted to make this video, give a little bit of an explanation to the guys that do watch the channel. And obviously a lot of people subscribed for the Fiesta. I'm sorry if that's what you enjoyed, but hopefully you want to stick around just to see where the future of the channel goes and see what happens with this Beamer, what's going to happen with the Starlet, and what may happen in the near future with maybe getting an S5. I can imagine that if I got an S5, the content would be great on that, because they sound fucking amazing. V8, obviously. That's the S5 I'd want. V8 4.2 litre. Lots of potential with them. They're an amazing looking car. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Obviously, you guys now know the behind the scenes of what's been going on the last few weeks. And I think I'll leave it at that. Make sure, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. Leave a like, leave a comment what you think. Obviously, just give me some feedback, guys. I reply to all the comments on the videos at the moment while I can. What the future shall hold. At the moment, I'm currently wrapping interior bits. This is the dash of the BMW, the centre console. I'm actually also currently fitting a double DIN radio, which I'm going to film a video on, and it's going to go up after this video that you're now seeing. So yeah, we'll see how it goes. Anyway, I appreciate you guys if you want to stick around, and if you are new and you are subscribing, I appreciate that too. And I'll see you in my next video, guys.